been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. My name is Keela. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I decided to show you guys how to install a headband wig and tell you guys about my first headband wig experience. I absolutely love it. It is the most simple hairstyle that you can actually do, honestly, especially being a natural girl. But enough of the rambling. If you are interested in how I got this makeup look, I also plan on dropping a video on it as well. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the headband wig that I am going to use, I purchased from Amazon. I want to say it was like between 50 60 bucks. I'll have the price listed down below in the description box. But it is a deep wave curly texture hair. It comes with a headband already on it. It's a black headband already made on it. Doesn't come with any lace. And it has combs on the inside. It has 3 combs at the top and 1 at the bottom. And it came with 2 headbands in with the actual wig. This is one of them. If I can figure out how to show you guys what it looked like. Okay, this is one of them. And then this is the other one. So those are really cute. So first, I like to go ahead and lay down my edges. That's literally all you have to do. I'm gonna take my Cream of Nature 24-hour edge tamer to lay down my edges. If you're one of those people who like the fancy baby hairs, this would be where you do all of it. I just like for my hair to lay down or look laid down. Then tie your edges down. While my edges are tied down, I am going to prep my wig. And you really don't have to add anything to it if you don't want to. I mean, it's really pretty by itself. I'm just gonna add some wrap lotion to it. Okay, so after you have let your edges sit for a while and they look up to your standards, how you want them to look, you take your little hair scarf off. Normally, I would also put on a wig cap just to help hold my hair back, but I'm not putting one on today, so we're not gonna worry about that. So the headband wig comes with, the headband part comes with the strap, and you take it and you're just gonna hook it in the back. Literally just gonna snap it. Adjust it to our head. Pull it back some. And then, voila. And you style it however you want to style it. You can wear it up. If you want to, you can do a half up, half down style. You can wear it all up if you want to. But this is legit it. That's all you do. I'm gonna try the other headbands on top of it just so you guys can see it. This was the first one I showed you. And you just pull the headband on top of the black headband that's already made onto the wig.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try.
That's the first one.
Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll.
And this is the second one. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I absolutely love this hair. I love this wig. Like, it is my go-to hairstyle. It's easy, it's simple, throw it on, go out the door. It takes like 10 minutes to do it. I absolutely love it. I suggest a headband wig to anybody, especially if you are a person that's just now getting into wigs and you don't really know anything about cutting lace and melting lace and fake scalp and all that stuff. This is a good, really good first starter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications. I post videos every Thursday. As always, thank you for the support, and I will catch you guys in my next video.
Nobody knows what we got.